Welcome. My name is Cody Giardinello, and I work in MIM Software Engineering. Today I will be covering the ECMF conflict message enhancements that were made available in Release 12.1. The agenda for today's presentation will consist of a brief overview of the ECMF messages that were updated, followed by a list of prerequisites needed for this change to take effect. Let's start with the overview. MIM contains a facility known as ECMF, or the Enhanced Contention Management Facility. This facility issues messages to TSO users and operators to make them aware of resource conflicts. Although ZOS may issue conflict messages that identify resources involved in a conflict, these messages do not identify the tasks or TSO users involved in the conflict. Also, these messages are not sent to the TSO users, which makes conflict resolution time-consuming and difficult. This video is intended to cover 4 ECMF messages that have been enhanced to include even more detailed contention information. JES Job ID, TCB, and ASID for both requester and current resource owner will now be included in existing conflict messages. This feature will allow users to code automation rules governing NQ conflicts differently for TSO users, test batch jobs, and production jobs. This slide outlines the messages that were enhanced in Release 12.1, which include MIM 1038i, MIM 1039i, MIM 1098i, and MIM 1099i. Everything shown in yellow has been added to the conflict message. Now, when resource conflicts arise, it is much easier to determine who is involved in the conflict. Let's touch on the prerequisites. In order to see the enhanced ECMF messages, users must be running MIM 12.1 or higher and have the PTF listed on this slide applied. For more information on these updated ECMF messages, please refer to wiki.ca.com. In sum, MIM's Enhanced Contention Management Facility issues messages to TSO users to make them aware of resource conflicts. In this presentation, we have covered 4 ECMF messages that have been enhanced to include more information about the users or jobs involved in the resource contention. That will conclude today's discussion. Thank you for your time.